Hey, what's up everyone? It's the 10-minute tutorial guy, back with another speedy and awesome tutorial. Today, we're going to be creating a website using Code Design. We're building an amazing website in under 10 minutes, so grab your favorite snack, hit that like button, and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about Code Design. It's an incredible tool that makes website creation a breeze. Even if you're a total newbie, no coding skills, no problem. Code Design has got your back with its intuitive interface and powerful features. So, head over to Code Design and create a free account if you haven't already. If you cannot find the link, I got it in the description just like always, and trust me, you won't regret it. Now, once you have signed up and you're logged in, you will see a screen similar to this. Now, you can click on Start a New Project and you will be displayed with a plethora of beautiful templates. It's just like being a kid in a candy store. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the AI to generate a website from scratch for our business. Now, let's click on Generate using AI. Now, once you do that, you will be taken to a page where you just have to give this AI a brief description about your business name, location, and also the services that you want to offer online. So for this, I have used my description right over here. So I'm just going to click on Generate Website. Now, once the process is complete, you will be automatically taken to the completed website template. As you can see, it did a pretty neat job coming up with a template like this from my description. So I'm pretty satisfied with this. However, once again, the images, you could find one or two, maybe more images that is not relevant to your business idea, but that's not going to be a problem because we can change all the images and everything that you don't want on the website template. Now, the real fun begins. Let's customize our template to make it truly ours. The platform offers drag and drop editor that is super user friendly. So let's say if I want to change this image, I just click on it. Here you will be taken to the options. You can click on choose an image, and then you can use Unsplash for any stock free images. I'm gonna quickly search for one. You select the image, and boom, there we go. We got the image replaced. Now, if you want to change the text, you can do that simply by following the same process. You click on any of the element. Let's say if I want to change this big text over here, I just simply click on that, and then you can edit or update or add more text to it. Then we have the logo section. If you want to change this text, you can follow the same process to it. Now we have the services here: designer, landscaping solutions, quality fencing solutions, pool and patio masterpieces. I wanted it that way, but looks nice. Here's a little detail about the business. Now it also comes preloaded with the testimonial section, but if you want to change that, or if you want to add the real testimonials that you got from your clients, you can do that too, which is pretty neat. Now we also got the post ideas. If you're looking for a long-term website and you have already planned to do SEO content and blogs for the website, it also gives you the ideas to have the blog post ready for your website. And then we have the contact section. Now you can change the contact details just by simply clicking on any of the element and change it to your liking, the address, the phone number, and then we have our contact form. I always prefer to keep the contact form as simple as possible so it's easier for your customers or your visitors to fill in their information. So here I got name, email, and a short message. Want to add more sections? No problem. Code Design makes it super simple. So all you have to do, just go over to the design part of the editor, and it will display all these sections that comes preloaded with your subscription. So we can select any section we want to add. So if I want to add plans and pricing, I can do that simply by browsing through these sections, and you will find the plans and pricing section over here. And if I want to add a plan, so I just simply drag it and drop it right here, and boom, there we go. We have our new section added to our page. Time to make our site truly unique by customizing the colors and the font. Now, to customize the font for any given section, what you have to do, just head over to the section, click on the element, and then go under typography. So here you will find all the font options. Let's say if I want to change it to Roboto, and then I also want to change the color to it, I simply go to the color section, click on it, and then select the color I want to use. So I'm going to use this one, and you can see the changes are applied live, and you can see whether it looks nice or you want to change it to something else. You can do that too. Almost done. Let's make sure our site looks amazing on mobile devices too. Click on the mobile preview option right over here on the top of the screen, and this is how your website will look on your cell phone. Make any necessary adjustment. CodeDesign automatically optimizes your website for mobile, but it's always good to double check. Now you can also add different kind of animations as the page loads. So to add any specific animation to any element, you just have to follow this. Just click on anything. I'm gonna apply the animation to the container. So I'll select this container, head over to the animations section, then I select any animation that works best. So for this, I'm gonna select zoom out, slide up. Once you're done, just make sure that you save it and publish it. Once you have published it, and here we have our animation. And if you're thinking about adding a background image or even a color to any section, you can do that too. Just click on the section you want to change the background for, head over to the background section. If you want to change the color, you click on color and select anything that works best. So for this, I'm going to select this color. Now if you want to change that to the image, select the image and then click on the image, click on replace image, and select any image that you want to use. Now it might take a minute or two for the image to show up. Once it's done, you will see your image right there. Now here's another cool thing about CodeDesign. Let's say if you want to move this website to your WordPress hosting, you can do that. Just head over to the publish section and you will see this option, add to WordPress. Now there are multiple ways that you can move this website to your WordPress hosting. The first one is when you click on the add to WordPress, it will ask you to connect your WordPress website with the editor. If you can do that, your website will be moved over to your WordPress hosting in no time. There's another way of doing that. You can head over to the export section and export all the HTML and CSS. It will give you a code file, and you can move that file to your WordPress hosting, and you can have this website imported into your WordPress. That is really cool. Now let's say if you want to add another page to your website, you can do that easily. Just head over to the page section, click on that, name your page, and then simply click on add a page. Once you're done, you will be taken to a new page, and you can personalize it, customize it to suit your overall branding, and that should be it. Now it also offers important features like backup and restore. So you head over to backup and restore, click on create backup, and you're done. That's easy, right? Now another great feature that you can find here is the analytics. So head over to the analytics section, click on that, and now you can monitor all the visitors, all the traffic that you're getting from all different kind of sources, which is really easy to keep track of. That is amazing. Now let's say you're not satisfied with any particular section that you see on the website and you want to personalize it more. So to do that, you just head over to this add a new elements block, and then you can see all these elements that you can add to the website. Let's say if I want to add a section with the drop down. So you head over to the functional, drag and drop it right where you want it. Here we have our new drop down menu. You can make changes, add text, any options that you would like to see here. We did it. Now it's time to publish our masterpiece. Click on the publish button. And voila, your website is live and ready to impress. And there you have it, folks, a stunning website created in under 10 minutes using Code Design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's a tool you would like me to cover next. I would love to do that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep it fun, keep it fast with the 10-minute tutorial guy. Peace.